In this video, we're going to be looking at how to style inputs. So first of all, we'll need an input to work with. So I'll just have this input. I'll center it on the page using body, margin, 0, display, a flex, align items of center, and a justify content of center, and of course a min height of 100 VH. In case you don't know this trick, there should be a card popping up right now telling on you how I center. So there we go. I'll select our input. First of all, we'll need some padding. So I'll put a 0.75 rem, 1.5 rem, and that should actually be M. So you get this kind of a big padding. Next up, I'll put a font of inherit so that we'll get the same font as everywhere. And I'll put a border of 1 pixel solid CCC, which is a gray color. And also, I'll put a border radius of 0.15 M. So there we go. We get that. It is already looking super nice, but we'll need some focus styling. To do that, I'll select our input, and I'll select our focus states, and on there, I'll put a border color of I'll just put blue. And I know you shouldn't use this kind of border colors. And I'll put an outline of none because that is what is getting done in here. We get that kind of blue border. So I'll put also a box shadow of 0, 0, 0 because 0 x offset, 0 y offset, 0 blur, and 3 pixels spread. And then I'll put like light sky blue, or I don't remember. Oh, it is correct. So I'll decrease that to a 2. Now we get that, but I want to animate it. So to do that, I'll select I'll make a transition of border color of 250 milliseconds and box shadow 250 milliseconds. And we'll get that smooth transition. And also when I tab on it, I'll also get the smooth transition. And that is how to style inputs.